Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to offset your text in Canva project. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Canva and then open up your project and then follow this process to offset your text. So let's say I have already written a text here. So just click on your text and then click on effects here. And you'll see multiple offset effects here. Let's say I'll choose glitch or neon or outline. Let's say I'll just go with glitch and you'll see the offset option here. So increase it to increase your offset and decrease it to decrease your offset. So that's it. That's how you add offset to your text in Canva. So thanks for watching guys. Take care.